Today, Sean's manager wants him to see how the different account managers are performing in their company. At the moment, it's not obvious because the entire spreadsheet is in order number. The account manager names are scattered throughout the spreadsheet. Excel has a great tool to help Sean, which is the Sort tool. You'll find the Sort tool in your Data tab in the ribbon, and you'll see a button called Sort. Before you click on the Sort button, it's essential to click on any cell of any record where your data is. I'm going to click cell C14. Now click on the Sort button. You'll see that Excel has automatically recognized where the data in our spreadsheet is. Now click on My Data Has Headers. As you can see, the selection just changed because Excel recognizes that the top row in our selection are the headers for our data. Now go to the option called Sort By. You'll see a small drop-down menu, and you can sort by any column heading. We want to sort by Account Manager. Click on Account Manager. You'll see that now we can sort in order from A to Z. There's a small drop-down menu if you wanted to change that to reverse alphabetical order, which is quite rare, Z to A. Let's stick with A to Z and click OK. Now you can see all the account managers appearing in one place. Anya Zhang has gone right to the top, and if you keep scrolling, you'll see Charles Buey, Connor Betts, and the entire spreadsheet has been sorted according to account manager. Scroll right back to the top. You can even sort on more than one level. Let's say we want to sort by account manager as well as the total sales. Go back and click your Sort button, and you'll see an option which we ignored before called Add Level. Click on Add Level. Now you can see it says after Sort By, then By, meaning we can sort first by account manager, then by a second criteria. Click on the drop-down menu, scroll, and let's say Total. You've got options to sort that from smallest to largest because it's a numerical value, or you can sort from largest to smallest. Let's choose largest to smallest so we can see the highest sales for each account manager at the top and then sort it downwards. At another level, let's sort by account manager, total, then by a third criteria, order date. When sorting dates, the default is oldest to newest. You can change that if you want the newest transaction to appear on top. Click on OK. And now your spreadsheet is sorted by account manager, followed by the highest sales for that account manager. As you can see, the highest sales figures are right at the top, followed by order date.